Hey everyone, I'm back again here at the shop, working. So today I've got a 2012 Chrysler 200, super clean, but for whatever reason the AC is not blowing cold. So I used my vacuum pump, sucked everything out of the system, as you can see, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So I'm gonna take the compressor, replace it. You want to vacuum it out first though, that way it doesn't explode Freon all over you. Now, thankfully on this, everything is a 13. So there's the compressor. I'm not sure what happened to it, but there's like that ring of crap around the clutch. It's kind of hard to get a good angle on it, but there it is right there. So, let me get under here. So like I said, everything's 13. So there's 4 bolts, 1 and a 2, and then there's 2 on the top, and then the lines come off right there, and then the other line is right there, the plug, and then yep, that's pretty much it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, replace this compressor. Hey Jeremy, since you're watching, have you ever seen that? And what could that mean? Because, I mean, to me, it looks like the clutch for the AC compressor went out. But that's pretty much it. That's what we got to do. And also take off the serpentine belt, which the tensioner is right there. And then we can put the new compressor on. So I'm not going to film this whole thing because it's going to be really difficult to hold the camera and do this, but I'll shoot you guys a video here in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back, still working on this. So I've got the bolts loose a little bit, that's loose, and this is where the lines would go, right here when you take that nut off, and right here, and this is the same for pretty much any car. You can see right there where the hoses go in, and here's one hose. Okay, so the belt is still attached to the pulley. So what we're gonna do, right here you've got your tensioner. So I'm using my breaker bar with a 3/8 adapter. You just go like that, and watch when I turn it, it loosens up the tension. See that? So yeah, and you can see right here on the compressor pulley, there's a belt going around it. So you can see, releases the tension. Put my phone to the side so I can actually hopefully record this for you guys here. Alright, here we go. Let's try to do this. Alright. Yep. There it is. Boom. Pop the belt right off. Now we can continue to disassemble the compressor. Well, not disassemble. Uninstall. Remove from the car. Okay, so I've got it out. This is the one that was on there. It's pretty old. And you can see that was the PAG oil in there. So basically it's supposed to turn with the pulley, but I don't know what happened. But this is the other one I got. It's from O'Reilly's. Right there, CarQuest. Or whatever CarQuest is, Advanced, whatever company. So I'm gonna put this one in. And just to show you guys, that's where it goes. So you've got 1 and 2, those are the bottom, and then up there there's 2 more bolts. So that's your alternator, so it goes right in under there. Alright, so I'm gonna get to it. Hey, okay, so that's the new compressor. So if you guys want to do this at home, basically it's 1 bolt right there for the line, the other line is that bolt, and then you've got that bolt, and then the 2 up top and the belt, and it just drops out and you reinstall, and that's pretty much how you're going to change an AC compressor on more or less any car. So that's that. And now that the compressor is changed out, we've got our manifold gauges connected, high pressure and low pressure, and you can see it was at -30, now it's back to 0. So what we need to do is vacuum it down, and to do that we take our vacuum pump, connect the line, start the vacuum, and then open the low side, and you can see the needle dropping. So that's going to completely suck all the air out, and when it gets to -30 inches of mercury, it should hold, and that will tell us if we connected everything correctly.